In this video, I'm going to show you how to make texts bigger on a Snapchat. For this, open a Snapchat and see the text that you're looking at and decide if you want to change it or not. If it's looking small enough or big enough, you can change it in the settings. What we'll have to do is go to our home page on our mobile and then go to settings and then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then what we'll have to do here is select font and display size, and you can increase the font size using this scroll bar. You can set it at large, very large, or small too. You can decrease the size too. And when we'll open the Snapchat, the text size would have been changed. So that's how we can change our text size on a Snapchat. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.